I Wouldn't Plays here says it's the most adorable thing ever. And Omen says it's an awesome game. Hopes there's going to be a sequel. Apparently, it's very good. I thought we should check it out. We're a little bird man, and we're going to walk around this little village and meet some animals, collect some things, do some funny dialogue things, multiple endings. Yeah. I like a short hike. I got it on my Switch, and it was great. So we'll see how it is, I guess. Christmas and New Year have been good so far. It's been quiet, just locked away as usual, but not too bad. All right, so let's begin some Pocket Watch here. Is it loud enough? Can you hear it? I don't think you can. Let me bump it up a little bit here. There we go. Where'd it go? Nope. There we go. Okay. There we go. Let's jump in and let's see how good this is. So this is a happy little game. Sometimes we just need happy little games. Did that work any? There you go. Okay, we're a duck man. We just washed ashore. Speaking of Kenshi, I'll talk about it a little bit more later on, but I'm gonna move it to an hour earlier for those of you who are doing the premiere thing, and I'll try to be there. For Miniature Nerd, talk about that game. This one, double streamer recommendation. I haven't recommended it yet. We haven't played it yet, but apparently I'm a duck man, and we can go bounce around and we can check out our cupboard. We can go upstairs. We can have a seat. Just using ZNX for this. Let's take a look at the old scope. There's some sort of a volcano thing over there. Yes. Yeah. I certainly have this short hike feeling to this. I need to get over there. Explore that island over there. Okay. Let's go head on down here. Hello, Crabman. It is currently 11 a.m. And now with the news. Hey, Dogman. Oh, hey, you woke up. I found you on the beach this morning. You shouldn't sleep on the ground. Okay. Dog's ferry service. Departs to Volcano City. Open while the tides are right. You want to talk again? I'm heading to the roof. Want to join me? Sure, sure. Why not? Is your boat okay? There's a part missing. Okay, okay. I think I see it up there. Let's go see what this guy has to say. Cat purring. Hello. You have a clear view of the volcano from here. It's been looking kind of restless. Take a look for yourself. I already did. Yeah, we saw it already. Lots of things going on over here. Okay. Looks good. You hear the cat? Is that coming through? There's clearly a cat purring going on. Okay, so we gotta go fix this boat, eh? Well, I think I see this thing up here. Let's go over here. What's this thing? Press Z to jump. Alright. Shake that tree. I found a ship part. Put it back. Okay, fix it. I need a wrench. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. I can't quite see up there. I think I'm... Am I drowning? I think I'm drowning. Okay. Well, let's go see... Over here. What are you? Okay. I think what happened? What do you say? Oh. You say it's high... Oh! It's high tide. Is that what you said? Look! We can reach the storage island now. Oh. Because it's high tide now. I get it. Okay, hop on up here. Open it up. I will take a wrench. I found a wrench. Nice. You found it. Hey, dude guy. Now we can fix the boat. Once the water lowers. Should be about 3 p.m. Go take a nap. I'll wake you when it's time. Oh, this is my kind of game. Yeah, I love taking naps. Yeah, I'll sleep until 3. Speaking of games you spend all your spare time on, I just started another playthrough of Mass Effect again. Nice. My room looks different than yours? Well, we'll see in a minute. 8 hours straight of RimWorld. Nothing wrong with that. It's a clock. Time is 3:13. Okay, so let's hop on up here. Hey, buddy. Okay, let's fix it. Can you do this too? I sure can. Need a wrench. I got one. I fixed the boat. Fixed it. I sure did. Good job. Now I can open today. I do want the wrench back, though. It's pretty expensive. You give it back. You give back the wrench. Okay. Maybe you can get your own one day. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Here we go. Hooray. Sorry it took so long today. Hopefully next time it will go faster for you. At least you're still in time for the auction tonight, right? Yeah. There's a rare item this year. Yeah. I forgot the coconut. I did forget the coconut. What am I supposed to do with it? Right here. Welcome to Volcano City. Hello, penguin. I'm hungry. Can you bring me a coconut? I love coconuts. Be quiet. There's one right here. You can have this one. Here you go, buddy. You lazy bum. All I had to do is walk 2 feet. Hey, coconut. Thanks. It's just what I needed. Here. This is for you. It's a coin. Oh, hey, thanks. I have no coin pouch. What am I supposed to do with it? Hey, you rat. I bought cool shades. I bought them at Hog's shop. I'm tired from running all around with them. Alright. My break ended. Back to work. At the hotel. What's it say? No hiring. Housekeeper. Ask inside. Do I want to go in there? Sure, sure. Banana there. Maybe I can get over there. Oh, maybe we get to a high tide, I'm guessing. Hello. Sorry, we're fully booked at the moment. Rich Business Frog is staying with us. We have only one room, so what? You probably can't afford it anyway. Excuse me? Do you see this giant coin I'm walking around with in my hands? It's locked. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm here for the job, buddy. Maybe the housekeeper can go in there. Not you, but I want to go in there. Yeah, hire me. You need to find me a coin pouch. Currently, 507. Okay. Let's go over here. Password? I don't know. Hog and Snake's house. I can sleep in their bed. I can steal from them. I can. Was that is that another coin? I won't steal from Hog and Snake. That seemed mean. Find me a coin pouch, though. Let me get over here. That chest. Thanks, Joe Bird. It is. Thanks, Joe. I appreciate that. Fortune feather. Yeah? You're late. Duck time is running out. Oh, duck time is running out. Soon it will awaken from its slumber. Obtain the item tonight. Then we might have a chance. Island is counting on you. Okay. Boisson chez Poisson? Hello. What's up with that frog on the balcony? He's been standing there for a while now. Looks fishy. Ooh, this guy right here. This is Moon Club. Hey, buddy. You are mighty thirsty from sailing so far. You land lovers have anything to drink? Hello, fish. I'm hauling stuff for the auction. Oh, can I get on your boat? Yeah, oh, I fell off. Let me on your boat. I want to see what's going on there. I just sit here all day. Yeah, I know. There's a chair there. This looks kind of like a chest, but I don't think it... Oh, yeah, it is. Right. I know I don't have a coin pouch. Just set this on the ground. We're going to stash it over here for now. My bird, that's where I stash my coins. What's in here? Another coin! Okay. I have no coin pouch. I know! Where am I supposed to find that thing? Alright, we'll just leave it there. Booked an opening act for my front row letter. I was going to change the name and, like, you know, like, the sokpop game first, but whatever. Whatever. We'll get the room world. Just be calm over there. Let's see what's going on over here. Umbrella flights. Open from 10 to 8. Details inside. I mean, there's a volcano about to go off. I'll be okay with this. I want a sky safari. 3 coins. Oh, I don't have any 3. I only got 2 coins. I can only carry 1 at a time. You have to pay. Oh, I got you. Hello, fish man. Are you the same guy? Done for the day. I'm gonna go chill with my brothers. Alright. Tonight, auction festival. This year's auction and win a rare item. Running from 9 to 11. Now buy coin pouch. Available at Hog's shop. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We'll get one of those coins. We're gonna go to Hog's shop, which I think is over. I know where Hog lives. I don't know where Hog's shop is though. Take one of my coins. Yeah, it's a coin. I know. I understand. I know. Ah! Okay. All right. Here we go. So I think Hogs is. He's gotta be one of these first ones here. Whose is this? Okay, that's the chicken residence. Right. Or is that fish? Fish. Right. We can't go in there. We can't go there. Ah! I fell in the water. Here's Hogs. Oh, for sale, eh? The mayor's office. Maybe this one's it. Let's go down here. Somebody's house. Oh, I can steal their money. Santa Claus is coming. Jingle bells. Oh, high tide. Dog's ferry service. Okay, we know about that one. I need. Thanks, Sanguine. Oh, where's this hog at? Let me go inside this building here. This is just someone's house. Okay, the motel. This wasn't it, was it? This was, that's where this guy lives. This one needs a password. Saw a pig top left, you say. An octopus there. Oh, here's the auction. I'm missing the auction. I'm in on this. Please wait for your turn. Okay. I'm gonna win, says Frog. Oh, now me. That's a coin. 1 hour left. I know. Bid using your coin pouch. I don't know where it is. What am I looking at here? It's a pocket watch. It looks shiny and mysterious. Okay. Yeah, I understand. We've been over here yet? Umbrella flights, right. Let's go and see if we can figure out how to go over this way. That way, elephant! There's Town Hall. There's the octopus. Oh man, they closed the gate. I wanted to go to the lake today. I brought a sail and everything. This seems a little dangerous. Oh, that gate is closed. I get it, so we can go across. Oh, yeah, it is closed. Okay. Locked. We can go anywhere over here. I feel like I'm missing the shop. Ah! We have a winner. Who is it? The pocket watch goes to Business Frog. Congratulations, Business Frog. I knew what he says. Here you go. I wanted it. You guys okay with all this shaking? Seems a bit concerning. It's still going. Hey, buddy. It's just me or this shaking. You don't think. I do think. I do think. Leave my coin there. I'm locking the door. Been seeing a strange light inside at night. Don't want people sneaking in. Are you... Is this a shop? Isn't it? It is, isn't it? No, this is the restaurant. So, does this say it's a time-traveling thing? I don't know what's happening. Am I dead? Better luck next time. Oh, I died! So long. Duck. Oh. It's such a cute little game, and I still managed to die. That's fantastic. All right, I like it. I like it a lot. This is sokpop. This is by sokpop called Pocket Watch. That's fantastic.